In creative media, originality is essential. Rewriting a script isn't just about changing words. It's about reimagining the story, breathing new life into it, and connecting with audiences in fresh ways. Like a musician covering a classic, a true rewrite preserves the core but transforms everything else, creating something wholly original and impactful. Air superiority is transforming with stealth technology at its core. Being invisible to radar was once the ultimate advantage. The NGAD program reimagines stealth, focusing on a system of systems. Uncrewed aircraft, or CCAs, support the NGAD fighter. The goal is to evade tomorrow's multi-layered sensor systems. A networked team confuses and overwhelms enemy defenses. Speed defines a successful fighter jet. The F-22 Raptor supercruises without afterburners, setting new standards. The NGAD fighter takes this further with adaptive engines. These engines optimize performance mid-flight, offering flexibility. The NGAD accelerates past Mach 2, revolutionizing air combat strategy. The NGAD fighter is more than speed or stealth. It's a flying supercomputer, a node in a vast digital network. Its open systems architecture lets the Air Force rapidly upgrade sensors, software, and weapons. Advanced sensors and AI fuse data into a single, clear picture, offloading complexity from the pilot. This digital dominance is the NGAD's true advantage. The NGAD fighter jet is defined by its ability to project power, carrying next-generation weapons in large internal bays to stay stealthy. It will use long-range missiles like the JATM and even directed energy weapons, changing air combat forever. Acting as a quarterback for drone wingmen, NGAD multiplies its firepower, adapting to any mission. Even as aircraft become more autonomous, the human pilot remains critical. The NGAD program creates a seamless symbiosis between pilot and machine. Pilots interact using voice, touch, and eye-tracking technology. This human-machine teaming extends beyond the cockpit. The strategic landscape of the 21st century is increasingly defined by vast distances, particularly across the Indo-Pacific region. For the U.S. Air Force, the ability to project power across these enormous stretches of ocean is a paramount concern. The tyranny of distance means that traditional fighter jets, with their limited range, require a large and vulnerable network of forward air bases and aerial refueling tankers to be effective. The NGAD program is being designed specifically to overcome this challenge, with endurance and reach being core tenets of its design. This is not just an incremental improvement, it is a strategic necessity for maintaining a credible deterrent. The NGAD fighter is expected to be significantly larger than current fighters like the F-22 or F-35. This increased size allows it to carry a much larger internal fuel load, dramatically extending its combat radius. When combined with the fuel-sipping efficiency of the adaptive cycle engine in its cruise mode, the NGAD will be able to fly much farther on its own than any fighter before it. This means it can operate from more secure bases, farther from the front lines, reducing its reliance on vulnerable forward operating locations. It can self-deploy across oceans and hold vast areas of enemy territory at risk without constant aerial refueling. This enhanced range fundamentally changes strategic options. An aircraft that can fly thousands of miles, penetrate sophisticated enemy air defenses, conduct its mission, and return to base creates a powerful deterrent. Potential adversaries can no longer feel safe behind their coastal defenses. The NGAD's reach puts their high-value assets, command centers, naval bases, and missile launchers at risk from the earliest moments of a conflict. This capability complicates their defensive planning and forces them to invest heavily in protecting a much larger area, stretching their resources thin and creating opportunities for U.S. forces to exploit. Moreover, the NGAD's endurance allows for greater persistence over the battlefield. A fighter that can stay on station for longer periods can provide continuous air cover for ground and naval forces, hunt for mobile targets, and gather intelligence for extended durations. This reduces the need for frequent sorties and complex aerial refueling operations in contested airspace. The combination of stealth, speed, and now long-range endurance makes the NGAD a true strategic asset. It is a platform designed not just for tactical dogfights, but for shaping the entire strategic environment and ensuring American air power can project influence anywhere on the globe, anytime. The journey to create a fully refreshed video script mirrors the journey of innovation itself. It is a process of deconstruction and rebirth, of honoring the past while boldly embracing the future. By rewriting every line, reimagining every scene, and selecting new media to tell the story, we create a product that is not just new, but more impactful. This mirrors the U.S. Air Force's approach to the next-generation air dominance program. They are not merely upgrading an old fighter, they are defining a new era of warfare. The benefits of this comprehensive refresh, both in media and in military hardware, are a testament to the power of original thinking and a commitment to excellence. The NGAD is more than just a fighter jet. It is a declaration of intent. It is the culmination of advancements in stealth, propulsion, digital architecture, and weaponry, all woven together into a single cohesive system. Its revolutionary stealth capabilities, adaptive engines, and open systems architecture ensure it will dominate the skies for decades to come. By moving beyond the concept of a single exquisite platform and embracing a networked system of systems that teams pilots with autonomous drones, the Air Force is creating a force that is more flexible, resilient, and lethal than ever before. This is the future of air combat taking shape before our eyes. The final rewritten script, brought to life with the authoritative American Arthur voice, new imagery, and fluid transitions, serves as a powerful vehicle to convey the significance of this technological leap. It ensures the message is clear, engaging, and memorable. It demonstrates that how a story is told is just as important as the story itself. A well-crafted narrative can make complex subjects accessible and highlight the true importance of innovations like the NGAD. It transforms a collection of technical specifications into a compelling story of power, strategy, and human ingenuity, capturing the imagination of the audience. Ultimately, both the refreshed video script and the NGAD fighter itself stand as powerful symbols of progress. They show that staying ahead requires a willingness to challenge old assumptions and start anew. The benefits are clear: a more engaging piece of content and a more dominant military force. As new threats emerge on the global stage, the NGAD ensures that the United States will continue to hold the ultimate high ground. It is a new dawn for air superiority, one forged in the fires of innovation and secured by a vision that looks beyond the horizon, rewriting the rules of engagement for a new generation.